In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ledger in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your general ledger and how to view it for the time period you care about. The general ledger is the backbone of your accounting. It lists each account and summarizes the debits, credits, and running balances, so you can validate totals, troubleshoot discrepancies, and prepare reports with confidence. First, from your Zoho Books dashboard, head to the Reports section. You'll find reports in the main navigation panel. This area is your reporting hub, grouping everything from sales and purchases to accounting and compliance. If you don't see reports, make sure you're signed in with a role that has reporting permissions. If your organization has custom roles, you may need an admin to grant access. Next, scroll through the reports page until you see General Ledger. Depending on your layout, it may appear under Accounting or a similar category or within the All Reports list. If you have a long list, use the search bar on the Reports page and type General Ledger to get there faster. When you see it, open the General Ledger report. You'll land on a summary that shows each account alongside debit totals, credit totals, and the current balance. This high-level view helps you confirm that entries are posting as expected and that balances align with your trial balance and financial statements. Once you're in the General Ledger, choose your date range. You can use quick presets like this month or this quarter, or set a custom from and to date for a specific period. Picking the correct window is key, especially if you are reconciling a month-end close or reviewing a prior period. After selecting your dates, apply the filter to refresh the report. The ledger will update to include only transactions within that period, so your totals and balances reflect exactly what you need to analyze. If your organization reports on an accrual basis, you'll see activity based on document dates. Cash basis organizations may see timing aligned with payments. Keep that context in mind when interpreting balances. If the report looks empty or numbers feel off, double check that the date range covers the activity you expect, and confirm that recent transactions have been saved and dated correctly. Also consider whether your fiscal year settings affect what you're reviewing. And that's it. You navigated to reports, found the general ledger, and set the date range to tailor the view. With those steps, you can reliably access and review your ledger anytime you need a clear picture of your accounts.